Morning everyone, welcome to this session number 381, and today I will continue with this problem that in the last transmission I tried to solve, but I got time, what is the error? Time limit exceed. Time limit exceed. Okay. I need to check. And I remember that I had another test, but more short, and I got the same error. No. Let me check here. What is the answer of this? 1 2 3 1 2 3 is 1 1 and 1 2. 1 and 1 and 1 and 2. Okay. And for example, this with 4. Sorry, I forgot to share this in Twitter. Leetcode. Okay, now what is the answer? Okay, the answer is this. 1 1 1 2 1 3 and 1 4. Let me try to figure out why is this the order. Okay. Yeah, I can copy all and okay. Yeah, the problem mentioned that you need to take or return the minimum sum using one element of this and one element of the array nums2. Yeah, this is the rule. Now, for example, if I start checking this with this, and it's in order. Yeah. Okay. In this case, for example, we have 1 array 1, and we have array 2 with the number 1. In this case, both are the same. Yeah. And I can take this and multiply, and sum with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. In this case is for the numbers of this array is this color, and the numbers for the second is this color. Okay. Now, for example, is 1 with 1. Yeah. Another is 1 with 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 comma 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 comma. Yeah. Okay, now is 1 with 1 with 2 3 4 and 5. 2 2 3 4 and 5. Okay. Now, for example, if k is equal 4, the result of this operation is 2 3 4 5 and 6. Yeah, until now. But let me continue. Now the next that is, okay, this is done. Now is 2 this case is 2, it's minor than 1. No, in this case the minor is the 1, means that is 1 with 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, and here is with 2. The 1 is not counted because was or has been used before. Yeah. Oh, I forget the 6 here, but well. Okay, and the result of this is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In this moment, I think that we can discover the minimum sum between these numbers. Yeah, in this case is 4. Now the first that is 1 with 1. Okay, that is this. The next that is another 2. We have another 2. No. The next that is this 1 and 2 is this. Okay. Even this is done. Is done. Okay. What is the next? Another 3 here, and is 1 and 2 again. But here appear in the positive. Even my result is wrong, but why appear 2 and 1? Or one possibility is that this 2 is this number, or this number, or this 2 is equal of this. Let me check. I will change the test only for figure out what is happening here, because I don't know what is the which. Okay, I think that this is much better. Let me copy. I remove this. I think that I can remove all of this. Okay, nice. Okay, again, is this with this, the minimum is 1. Okay, is 1 with 11, 1 with, in this moment it's not necessary to use different color because it's clear that the 1 digit is this and 2 digits is this array. 1 in 12, 1 in 13, 1 in 14, 1 in 15, and 1 in 16. Yeah, this is the pairs. Well, now this is done. Now the next between this and this, what is the minimum? The minimum is 2, means that is 2, 11, 2, 12, 2, 13, 2 and 14, 2, 15, 2, 16. Okay, and it's done. Now the next that is this and this, whatever. Now in this moment we can figure out what is the 4 minimum results. In this case the result of this is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, in this case the minimum values are, I think that is this. The next that is this and this, and the next that is 14. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In this case, the first is 1 with 11, another is 1 with 12, one with 13, no, is 2 with 11, and 1 in 13. Yeah, let me check. 1 in 11. Okay. Aha. I am following the same idea with the where I have only one digit. Sorry, is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 4. One in 1, 1 in 2, 1 in 3, 1 1 1 1. Here. Okay, in this case we have between 1 in 1, what is the minimum? The minimum is 1. We have the preference with this is that 1 and 1. Now is 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1 with 4, blah blah blah. Yeah, 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1 with 4, and 1 with 5. These the Roman numbers are related with is concerned with this array, and the normal numbers is concerned with this array. Okay. In 6, in 1 in 6. Okay, got it. Now this is done. Now the next, that between 2 and 1, what is the minimum? The minimum is 1. If I follow in this, is taking as a preference what is the minimum. In this case, for example, the first is the mean, and the next is the max. Yeah, this is mean and this is max. No, in this case is 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, and 1 and 6. Okay, and it's done. Now the next, that is I think that it's enough with this for this record. Now in this moment, for example, the result of this is sorry, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The minimum result is this, is the 3, and is the 4. Okay, now in this case is 1 with 1. The next that is 1 and 2. The next that is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 again. One and two. Okay, means that well, in this case I am 1 and 3. Yeah, in this case works, but with this I am getting the exception. Okay, in which moment I know that I have the minimum values? Yeah, because in this case I'm sure that this exception happened because it's continue with the continue performing this operation even when I have the minimum values because are sorted. But in which moment I know that I have the enough number, enough number of result, or no, result of numbers. Well, in this case, for example, is appear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that maybe where the size okay, I think that, let me check. In this case is integer command I is equal 0 and I plus plus I plus plus, and here is n I, it's minor that k multiplied by 2 no, I know, j I'm not sure if... Okay, let me try to use the pretty queue here, because I think that is maybe maybe this is using the sort, because you see, for example, 1 1 1 2 2 1. No, but in this case, no, yeah, and here is 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1. I don't, I can't discover what is the sort of the this. Okay, the smallest sum will be formed by index 0 of the numbers 1. The next smaller sum will be either between index 0 of numbers 1 and index 1 of num 2. The next smaller sum will be either from index 0 from numbers 1 and index 1 of nums 2. Okay, 0 and 2, 0 and 1, or index 1 of the nums 1 and index 0. Yeah, it's in the positive, but I have an error in the sort, but I don't know. Let me check what happened if I sort these elements. Collections, sort. I think that is not the idea, but only let me check. Collection sort, result, collection sort. Yeah, it's the same. What is the problem? Method, list of list. Okay. Okay. I think that maybe instead use the result to add all in this pair. Maybe it's with the priority queue and use the priority queue to sort. No, but let me check. The results here said that 1 1 1 2 3 1 1 3 2 2. Yeah, in this case, for example, don't appear the 2 and 1, appear the 1 and 2 but not the 2 and 1. Why? 2 and 1. And here is wrong too. Let me come back to my okay, in this case is exceed the time. Okay, I think that this algorithm works, but have a problem where I use this bigger I need one way to avoid this operation, because it's one with this done of list with numbers, and now it's the 2 with the same, 3 with the same. Okay, let me check in how many minutes I have for the contest. 49 minutes. Okay. Yeah, the problem is this: in which moment I stop the execution. Let me check. Here the map.getZoom. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the size is this. Okay, let me check. Here integer j is equal 0. Meanwhile j is minor that space. K by 2 plus 1. Yeah, sure. And this is J plus plus. And here is the same. Yeah, it's stopped but with wrong. 1, 1, 1, 2. Here why change this? Okay. This case j it's minor that. That is k. Sometimes 1 and 1, 2 and 1. Why change this to 2 and 1? Should be 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 1 and 3. Oh, I think that maybe is because before to, yeah, here, list integer temp it's equal no. I was thinking that maybe it's sorted by this number, but don't make sense because in this case, for example, the 2 is graded at 1. No. Let me check. I don't. Why still appearing this 1 1 2 1? Okay. Here is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And here is the same. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. For example, if I only stop here, 1 1 2 and 1. Okay, I think that is for this because it's not completing, but in which moment I know that it's enough with the numbers that I have. Here is 1 1 1 1 1 1, and we have 2 3 4 and 5. That is the minimum. Is another one because in this case we don't have any hint. But in this case, the priority queue okay, it's saving the elements, but I think that is the same, right? I will get this exception because continue with the processing the elements. Okay, if k is greater than this multiplied by this, k no of possible pairs, return all the possible pairs. Okay, for example here, example, what is example 3? Okay, let me change my approach. Everyone said everyone is saying that or are saying that is with the pretty cues, but okay, I will try to solve with the pretty cue. In this case is well, I think that is have the minimum, add these values in a pretty queue and remove the first. I think that is the first with this, this with this, with no. I think that we can continue with this approach to use 2 pointers and use the heap for save the values in or the results, and okay, the last read, because maybe I forget or I don't notice something. You are given a 2 integers array nums1 and nums2 sorted in increasing order and integer k. Define a pairs u and v which consists of one element from the first array and one element from the second array. Return the pairs u 1 v1. Okay, in this case u it's equal the first and v it's equal second array. And okay, in this case, for example, is this one with the second, second with the second. No, is second, wait a second. Okay, I will check the answer because I really don't understand the. Okay, in this case is nums 1. One and 2, this and this. Now is 1 and 4. Now is 1 and 6. Is this with this, this with this, this with this. Well, it's not clear. It's exactly the same that I do with another test and works, but okay, we have the size, we have the result. Okay, this we have for the visit. Now the next that is pretty cute. Is 1 with 1. One with this and this and this and this, and is ignore this. This is not this with this. Okay, let me check. In this case, for example, maybe this is a error. Let me check. Is this with this, with this, with this, everyone, yeah? In this case is 1 with 1 until 1 to n, okay? And now where I apply this, basically this in my code disappear, and now is 1 with this, with this, with this. In this case 1 with 1 until, no, is 1 with 2 until 1 in n. Yeah, because the 1 disappear. Now is this is gone. Now is this with this. What is the minimum? Okay, is 2 starting in the 2 until 2 and n, and this disappear, and now this is 2 to 3. Yeah, but what happened if it don't disappear? For example, maybe this is my mistake. Is 1 with 1, okay, is 1 with 1 until 1 to n, but don't disappear. Yeah, now is this with this, okay, start here and go until this. Now in this case both are done. Now the next that is this, but this don't disappear. Yeah, now it's 2 with the 1, is 2 1 until 2 to n, and now is in the positive. 2 to 1 is until 2, no, 2 to to n. What is the error here? Maybe this is the error, but because if I follow with this idea, I will get the next result. 1 with 1, um, ah, and the other is the same, one with one with two, three. Yeah, it's exactly the same, but using, for example, the set, we can avoid the duplicates. Yeah, and now the next step is 2 with 1, 2 with 2, 2 with 3, blah 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 blah, and the other side is exactly the same. Yeah, and I think that but with this problem I think that is more expensive. Why don't, okay, whatever. Is visit pretty Q, A and B, okay, is for keep sorted the elements, min heap offer non-zero and non-zero, and this is the sum and this is the result. Min heap is this, it's an array. Okay, now visit, mark as a visit. While k minus minus is greater than 0, min heap is not empty, we get the top element. I, what is I? Is this. I plus 1, it's minor than m. What is m? Is the length. Meanwhile, it's inside the range, and visit doesn't contains the pair okay, only for be sure, let me check if this don't have the problem with the timeline time limit exit. Okay, no. For every iteration here. Okay, let me only add this in my solution, and k minus minus is greater than 0. What? Where is the error? Here. It's, yeah, sure. Is integer L, it's equal K. Yeah, but L is already used where? limit I still with the same error. Well, definitely I need to study this because it's not clear for me this moment. It's 2002103031. Okay, but well, I think that I will rest a little bit before the contest. But thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.